Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Windows 11 Secure Boot with ASUS motherboards, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Secure Boot on your ASUS motherboard with Windows 11, first, power on your computer. Next, press the appropriate key to enter the BIOS setup. This key varies by model but is usually the Delete or F2 key. Once in the BIOS menu, navigate to the Boot tab. Look for the Secure Boot option within the boot settings. By default, Secure Boot may be disabled. Select the Secure Boot option and change it to Enabled. You may need to switch the OS type to Windows UEFI mode. If prompted, confirm any changes to set the Secure Boot to Enabled. Next, ensure that the Key Management or Secure Boot keys is also configured. Select Install Default Secure Boot keys if it is available. This step is crucial, as it installs the necessary keys for Secure Boot to function. Once you have enabled Secure Boot and installed the keys, navigate to the Save and Exit tab in the BIOS. Choose Save Changes and Exit to apply your settings. Your computer will reboot after saving the changes. After the reboot, Windows will load, and Secure Boot should now be enabled. To verify, open the Windows Security app from the Start menu. Go to the Device Security section. Here, you should see that Secure Boot is reported as on. Congratulations, you have successfully enabled Secure Boot on your ASUS motherboard with Windows 11. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.